Hello, if you own a business or a retail shop, try Managex software. Download the free 7 days trial version of Managex software for your business. Managex is made in Kenya by Kingsoft Company Limited. It has the full manual incorporated, and even better, video tutorials for the challenging parts. It will help you manage your stocks, purchases, sales, credit customers, and accounts. Suitable for retail shops, offices, and people who do projects and needs to produce documents such as quotations, invoices, receipts, and delivery notes. Download now from www.kingsoft.biz or by clicking on the link below. It is easy to install on your computer. From the website, you'll find the Start Trial link. Sign up quickly. You'll be directed to the mega.com site for download. Download the setup. Run it and allow its installation. On completion, the User Edition window will pop up. Use it to add the first admin user. Remember the password you put. Log in with user ID 1 and the password you put.